Hey guys, Matt Becker here. We're out on the pontoon, the Lowe LF232. This is a fishing pontoon, and what we're going to do is put up the Bimini top here. You know, it can be a little tricky by yourself, but I've got a little system I'm going to walk you guys through. It's really quite easy once you get it dialed in. So first up, we're going to take off the travel cover here. This is what keeps it kind of nice and neat and compact whenever you're driving around. That way, you know, the cover doesn't get blown around. So this cover right here, I always just like to store in one of the compartments right here. Okay, after we do that, now we're going to start raising the Bimini top. What you're going to do here is take this side, it snaps out of this little snap right here, and that's going to give you the freedom to raise him up. So you're going to want to do that on both sides. Pop him out of there just like that. So he is ready to go. Now, to raise him up, we're going to pull this lever right here to allow this small arm to pop out, and then we are going to use the longer arm down here. Okay, and you're going to have to do this on both sides. Now once you do this side, it is going to be free to go and ready to raise up. Put that arm there. Now we can raise this up, pull out that longer arm and put it right back into that same slot right there. Now come over here and do the same thing on this side, just like that. And now you are ready to fold him over, pull him all the way out, just like that. And then the last step here is you want to make sure you put your safety strap on. So while you're driving the boat, he doesn't fold back down. So you take your little safety strap, hook it on that hook there, and then you want to pull this tight. That way he is safely secured, and now he can't fold back up when the wind grabs him. That's it. Super simple, very easy to put up the Bimini top even by yourself.